Okay, now let's look at 2018 paper 1, a question on mensuration. So it's saying, given that the area of the sector below, is 308 centimeters squared. So the area of this sector, the area has been given to be 308 centimeters squared. This is the area of this sector. Okay? Then we're told to calculate the value of x, taking pi as 22/7. So they want us to find the value of x, which is the radius. So they want us to find the radius of this sector, okay, whose theta is 8 degrees. So what do we have? We have the area has been given to be what? 308 centimeters squared. This is the area of the sector. Then we also have the theta, the angle subtended by the arc PQ is what? 80 degrees. Okay? Then we also have the pi, which is what? 22/7. Now what do they want? They want x, which is the radius. So they want x, which is the radius. So with the radius we don't have, this is what? X. Now they want us to find the value of what? X, which is the what? The radius of this sector. Now, since this question is based on finding the area of the sector, we are going to apply the formula we use when finding the area of the sector. So we know the area of the sector is given by, so you say area is equal to theta over 360 multiplied by radius squared. This is the formula we use. Okay? So the area of the sector is given by theta over 360 multiplied by radius squared. Okay, so now in this case, what we're going to do is just a matter of us now substituting in the formula. What we have been given, we just substitute it in this formula. So the area has been given to be 308. So where there is area, you put 308. So we have 308 is equal to, the theta has been given to be what? 80 degrees. So the theta is 80, so we just have to say 80 over 360 multiplied by, pi has been given to be 22/7. So where there is pi, we just put 22/7 multiplied by, radius has not been given, but this is x. So we just say x what? X squared, this is what we want. Okay. So now, since during your final exams, you are not allowed to use calculators. So the best thing you can do it is you start reducing these figures. Okay? So I'm going to maintain my area, which is 308, then is equal to this 0 and this 0 can go. So we're going to remain with what? 8/3, sorry, 8/36. Okay? Then multiplied by 22/7 multiplied by x squared. Okay, so we can reduce again by seeking for, let's say, the highest common factor of 8 and 86. A number which can go into 8 and 86 without even a remainder. So first we're going to maintain 308 is equal to, so let's pick 4. So we say 4 into 8, you get 2. Okay, 4 into 8 you get 2 over, then 4 into 36 you get 9. Okay, so we said 4 into 8 is 2, then 4 into 36 is what? 9. Okay, then multiplied by 22/7 multiplied by what? X squared. Okay, then at this level, since 9 is not a factor of 22, and then 2 is not a factor of 7, so what we can do is we can just multiply. We can move on and say we maintain the area, which is 308 is equal to, you can multiply the numerators around and the denominators around. So we can say 2 times 22 you get 44. 44 times x squared get 44x squared. So you have 44x squared. Then you can say over. Now to avoid big products or big numbers, you can just say 9 times what? 7. What we are avoiding is us to obtain a what? A huge number, a big number. Okay? So we don't want to find the product of 9 times 7. Okay? You want to reduce, you want to avoid big figures or big products because you're not allowed to use calculators. Okay? So at least if you want to can multiply, but in my case, okay, I want to make my work easier since I don't have a calculator. So we can say over 1, then cross multiply. So when cross multiply, I'm going to have what? I'm going to multiply 1 multiplied by 44x squared. So 1 times 44x squared get 44x squared is equal to, we are multiplying what? This one, 308 multiplied by 9 multiplied by what? 7. Okay. Then at this level, for us to remain with x squared, you just divide both sides by 44. So you say over 44. Okay. Inside you say over what? 44. Okay. So that these two can go. Okay. Then you say x squared is equal to, you now start reducing here. Okay. Now how can you reduce? So in this case, let us look at 44 and what? 44 and 308. So let's use maybe a number like, can we use, let's use a number like 2. Can you just use 2 for now? Let me use 2. So I'm going to say 2. 2 into 44 gives 22. So this is 22. That is 2 into 44 gets 22. Then 2 into 15, 2 into 8 you get what? You get 15. Then 2 into 8 you get what? You get 4. Meaning 2 into 308 you get 154. Okay? So 2 into 308 you get 154 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 7 this side, sorry. Multiplied by 7. Okay, so 7, take note. This is 7. You can still reduce, you can move on and say, you maintain x squared is equal to, you can still reduce and say 2 into 22. So this, okay, 2 into 22 get what? 11. Okay, this is 11. Then 2 into 15, you're going to get what? You're going to get 7. Okay, 7 remainder 1. This one becomes 14. 2 into 14 is what? 7 no remainder. Okay, so I'm saying 2 into 22 you get 11. Then 2 into, this is 154. So I'm saying first 2 into 15 you get 7 remainder 1. So it becomes 14. 2 into 14 you get what? 7. Then multiplied by what? 9 multiplied by what? 7. Okay. Then we can move on and say x squared is equal to 11 can go into 77. So 11 into 11 is 1. 11 into 77 get what? You get 7. Okay, so what do we have? We have 7 multiplied by 9, then multiplied by what? 7. Okay. So we can move on and say x squared is equal to 7 times 7 get 49 times what? Times 9. Okay, so we say x squared is equal to, you now multiply these two. 49 times times what? Times 9, what do you get? You get something like 441. Maybe we try it one this one. So let's multiply 49 times what? Times 9. Okay? 49 times 9. Okay? 9 times 9 is 81. So I'm going to write 1, carry forward what? Carry forward 8. Then 9 times 4 get 36. 36 plus 8 to get what? 41. Okay, so meaning 49 times 9 get 441. Now in this case, we don't want the value of x squared. What we want is the value of what? X. We want the value of x. We want x, not x squared. So for us to get rid of this square, to introduce the square root on both sides. So you say square root inside square root. Okay. So these two are going to go. We're going to have x is equal to the square root of 441 is what? 21 centimeters. So the value of x is what? 21 centimeters. This is our so this is 21. This is also 21. The radius is 21 centimeters. As simple as that. Okay.